Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily connect Google AI Studio to GitHub. Let's begin. First, open up Chrome, go to the official website for the AI Studio, log into your account. From here, on the left panel, click on Build, go to Applications, then select your application that you just built or created. From here, you just need to locate the GitHub logo where you can easily sync your account. Now, depending on the version you have, the layout might be different. So some you might have it over here. If not, you can click on this button, go to settings, click on more options over here, and then locate GitHub. Then you will have the option to log into your account. As you can see, this is what it looks like if you have already synced your account. But if not, it should look like this. All right. So log into your account, select this option, select all, then click on the install and authorize button. And once back, you should now notice this section. It would look similar to mine. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.